Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two email tools automation platform, which is MEETOVO and Perspective. So let's quickly dive into it, but before that, know that this video is based on collective data review. So let's get started. MEETOVO focuses on creating smooth recruiting funnel with tools for automated email, interview scheduling, and ads management. Perfect for hiring teams and agency wanting to save times and boost conversation. Its clean interface and ready-made template make it building recruiting pipelines easy, though it's limited for broader marketers' uses. Perspective, on the other hand, shines with a versatile funnel builder for marketers and businesses. It offers sleek mobile-first landing page and a strong lead capture features that can feel pricey and less customizable for complex workflow. So in conclusion, MEETOVO is the best for recruiting focused users, while Perspective wins for general lead generation and marketing flexibility. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more review.